Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to erase key fob memory. Erasing your key fob memory is essential for security and convenience, especially if a fob is lost or stolen, or if you are selling your vehicle. This prevents unauthorized access to your vehicle and protects your personal belongings inside. It ensures only valid fobs can operate your car, giving you complete peace of mind, a crucial step for your security. Generally, there are two primary methods for clearing key fob memory, giving you options depending on your comfort level. You can choose to visit a professional automotive technician or a dealership, which offers a reliable, hands-off approach. Alternatively, many vehicles allow for a do-it-yourself method, often involving a specific sequence of actions you perform yourself. Understanding these options helps you decide the best path forward. For those considering the do-it-yourself route, the very first step is always to consult your vehicle's owner's manual. Each car make and model has unique, precise instructions for accessing and clearing the key fob memory slots. You might find detailed diagrams and specific timing requirements, such as turning the ignition within 10 seconds or pressing buttons for exactly 5 seconds. Online forums or the manufacturer's website can also be valuable resources for finding these model-specific steps. While specific steps vary, many do-it-yourself methods involve a common sequence of actions to enter programming mode. This often includes inserting your key, turning the ignition to specific positions, and pressing certain buttons on the door or dashboard in a rapid, precise order. You will then typically follow prompts to clear all programmed fobs, which might involve holding a button for a duration like 20 seconds. Always ensure you have all fobs you wish to keep, as this clears every memory slot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.